I feel so weird. Hey guys, so today me and Rocco are at the aquarium of the of the Pacific.
Of the Pacific.
So today we're at the aquarium of the Pacific. This is for Rocco's science little part of his homeschooling. He's gonna go learn some stuff and do flips.
Ow, that's not big enough for me.
Ready to go learn some stuff? See some cool fish and stuff?
Woo!
Yep, that's him learning. I swear he's learning, guys. Come on, little monkey, this isn't the zoo. We thought your gingerbread house was good.
Yeah,
That's cool, it's a sandcastle. That one's like a sandcastle gingerbread.
yeah.
Whoa.
Oh, that's made out of ice cream cones.
That is.
Oh, I just want to eat them.
I know, it looks so good, I want to eat it.
You can smell them.
I know, it smells so good.
Whale shark.
Look how big that is. Imagine being in the ocean with that.
Jesus.
Would you be scared?
And that's just a whale.
That's a baby whale.
That's a baby whale.
How scared would you be if you're in the ocean with it?
I would probably cry. Yeah, those are, what are those called?
Leopard sharks, I think, right?
Yeah.
I think they're leopard sharks.
Sharks.
Oh, I was right.
And the fish that is
Oh my gosh, size 7 feet.
Dang!
Whoa. So you already learned something.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh my gosh, that's Claudius in fish form.
Claudius, he's grumpy.
Rocco, what do you want?
Oh my god, I didn't even know what that is, but that just scared the crap
Is that,
out
oh
of
my
me.
gosh, that really is a fish.
Yeah.
What kind of fish is that?
I'm not sure.
Oh, come here, let me show you something cool. So on this book right here, or this map,
Yeah.
look it. So you go to each exhibit and you get a little stamp. Ah. Then you stamp it. Ta-da! That's so cool, huh?
So cool.
You know what we can see today? Otters.
Yeah, I forgot.
They have cool otters here. Oh, these are sea slugs. You gotta check these things out.
They're so gross.
Look at that thing. Look how big that is.
Jesus.
They're huge.
And they look like blue lightning.
They do.
They look like legit lightning. But they're not. They're really clear, and then there's lights, so they go in the dark.
And then they sting you really bad.
Yeah.
It's how they move.
Oh. It's crazy.
Those are so pretty.
I know. It's like scary. These ones are really cool.
Yeah, those are cool.
Oh my god, those are huge.
Like you're in that.
Whoa.
What's that?
That's a I forgot it.
Come on.
Lancer shark
Nope.
or no? Oh, leopard shark.
There you go.
Thanks. He's like good.
They're having a new sea lion, but that's not until 2017.
Oh, I'm cheese. Do you think we've missed one?
No?
No?
Look at it. Put your hand in.
I'm scared.
Come on. They're not gonna bite you.
I don't want to rub them.
Why not?
That one just got smacked. I see the girls.
Are you still scared?
They're rough. So if you look at these sharks, that's like one of the bumps.
So this is what you're touching, a bamboo shark?
Yeah, bamboo.
You're doing a brown banded bamboo shark and a white spotted bamboo shark.
That one's
Now their skin is very rough, and the reason their skin is so rough is just because instead of skin, a shark has something
Is that cool?
and the tooth-like structure.
These ones you don't pet.
And so
No, you don't pet these ones. Cute. That's not even full yet.
I know.
That's crazy, huh? There's Dory.
So right underneath you is a blue-spotted ribbon-tail ray.
Whoa.
They're all slimy. That's what I don't like.
Now the these tend to have
Rocco, watch out.
or skin.
What? So weird. Dad, they're brave. They're slimy.
They do look pretty.
But you can touch the
Hi!
face.
That's so cool. He like popped up. You ready to pet some birds? Or are you ready to feed some birds? I'm sorry.
And you can pet them.
Yeah? Alright, now you got your nectar. Let's go. Like that? Yeah, just like that. Go, go. You got another friend. Aww. Oh my gosh.
I can't do it. Here, just keep walking and you'll get left first. No, you can do it. Oh my god.
Woo! This feels so weird.
You want a picture?
Can you get any more birds? Oh my gosh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Rocco, you're crazy. Oh my gosh.
Oh, hi there. Hi, buddy.
Oh, other hat. Oh. Bouncing.
Bouncing.
Hi.
They really are. That was impressive.
What's up? He's just like talking in my ear. He's literally just talking in my ear.
Come on. Go on my shoulder.
What are you telling me about? You telling them to go subscribe? Is that what you want me to tell them? Hey Rocco, he's telling me to tell them to go subscribe. And hit the like button. And hit the like button?
Oh.
Is that what you're saying? And hit the like button? Okay. Thank you. Jeez, Rocco, you have them all lined up.
I looked up like this. Damn. Ah, I didn't say bite me. Yeah, this fool's just eating me. That feels so weird.
Whoa.
Whoa. That
Looks like the zebra, I think. I don't know.
Oh, that's the. Oh no, that's not the whitetail.
Look at the teeth on that one.
That looks like a grape. Oh my god.
Okay, that one's scary, guys. Hopefully it gets close.
In there.
No.
Yoink.
His teeth are insane. He has like three rows.
layers. Yeah. Eat me, son. No. You can't breathe in the water.
Look at that one at the bottom, jeez.
Whoa, that was cool.
Ooh, time for penguins, I guess, first. Oh, Rocco, look, come here. Look at, they have their little stockings in the back. They celebrate Christmas too.
Yeah.
I wonder what they want for Christmas, fish? Whoa, these are stingrays.
Get your backpack, let's go.
These are massive. Can you pet them?
Yeah,
Do you pet them if I pet them?
yeah.
They feel weird and I don't like it.
You don't like the slimy feeling? Why are you scared?
It's so deep. How do they feel? Gooey.
Hi.
Oh, hi.
Here, look, I felt it too.
This would feel like a mess.
You know what all those are?
Those are worms.
No. Right here. Garden of eels. These are little eels. They're like baby ones. Rocco, you have to feel this top part.
Why?
Just feel it.
You do it, I'll do it.
No, I'm freaked out.
It's sticky.
The animals here is very different than our land animals. So are you having a good day?
Yeah.
So the best way to touch him is just right on top versus underneath, because he's using that underneath side to stick.
Yeah, I know. That reminds me
He
of
doesn't
Patrick.
really have eyes.
Is that touchable?
Yeah, of course. You can just use 2 fingers, and you want to go in slow.
Are they spiky?
Whoa.
They are spiky, but
moving.
luckily I know that you can gently touch them, and they'll wrap the spines around you.
Try it.
Do it.
Yeah, you should do it.
Gently.
So as long as you just go down slow. It's all about being slow and patient. There you go.
I don't like it.
Yeah.
This is my favorite exhibit. Yep. Look at him back there. He's eating.
He's like, nom, 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 nom.
He's eating snow, I think.
So fast. Oh, there's
That'd be Rocco. That'd be Rocco if he was an otter back there. Just eating, chilling.
That'd be Emma.
How pretty they are.
Oh, that. Wait, I want to see if I can talk to it.
Yeah, come on, Rocco.
No.
Oh my God, these are shrimp. These are shrimp. This is what I'd eat. This is what I eat.
You eat that?
Shrimp, yeah. So I told Rocco about these spider crabs earlier, and he saw pictures and said, "Oh, that'd be so cool to touch." Huh, let's go look at them now. Someone's a little scared. Ah.
Look at them. I regret what I said.
Get your face all close to it.
No! Alright, you know what? Just because I'm a savage.
Ah, he's moving his claws, Rocco. He's moving his claws down. He wants you.
He's like, give me.
Think about if you're in the ocean, Rocco, and that's just coming after you.
No. Get my mind off that.
Oh. On the dry side. Come on down. We're gonna get them set up for our training session. And I'll be back in just a few minutes. Go ahead. Come on now, volunteers. Are we working with Brookstone?
Yes.
All right.
Brooke. And so we're going to demonstrate with Brooke how well she's able to recognize her shape when presented with 2 different ones. When you get those shapes, you can go ahead and put them right up on the window there along the water line. Perfect. All right, I'm going to send Brooke over, and we're going to see how Brooke does with being able to find her shapes that are up there in the window. So here she
Looking for the
comes.
blue circle.
Making her way over. Taking a look. There she goes, putting her paw up on that blue circle. A nice job. And then whenever you're ready, go ahead and step back up one more time. And we're going to see if Brooke is able to recognize that we've switched her shape into a different position. There she goes. And let's give Brooke a nice round of applause. She did a great job. You might have seen that she was way up there. You got to